do with Evernorth owning 700 million XRP and going to close XPN in first quarter, XRPN in first quarter. XRPN is about $10.20 now. Should we buy before they close the deal? Thanks again. I can't give you financial advice, but when it comes to Evernorth, I think they're going to be extremely successful at providing a MNAV that is over 1. So what is MNAV? It's a multiple of NAV, MNAV. Net asset value is NAV. So like a ETF would trade 1-to-1 with the NAV. So, however many shares, or however many XRP are issued per share, as the, price of XRP goes up, the share prices go up in correlation. When you have a DAT, like Evernorth, which is a digital asset treasury company, then you can do some interesting things. You can issue debt, you can do convertible notes, you can borrow money to buy the asset and then put it to work in ways that are a little bit more unique than what's available on chain. So like the Solana and the ETF, ETFs, they can stake those. Bitcoin and XRP don't have a native staking mechanism. So they're really limited in what they can do to be able to pay a dividend. There is an ETF that does pay a dividend, a 3% dividend on XRP. So not quite sure how they're doing that. I need to better understand that, but that is live. I do think that Evernorth will pay a dividend of some kind, and I think the share price will likely trade above MNAV. So if you were invested in Evernorth, it would be like a leveraged bet on XRP. If they're trading at 1.2 to 1.5 times the net asset value, that's the type of return you'd be seeing as XRP were to move up in the near future, I think.